making sense of percentages in the real world. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today, we are going to explore percentages. Yes, you heard that right. Those little numbers followed by the percent symbol you often come across in daily life. We are going to understand them and see how they work in real-world situations. By the end of this video, you will not only have a clear understanding of percentages but also know how to use them in your everyday life. So, let's dive in. A percentage is a way of expressing a number as a fraction of 100. It is often denoted using the percent symbol. For instance, 50% is equal to 50 out of 100, or half. So, when we say 50% of people like ice cream, it means half of the people like ice cream. Percentages are used everywhere around us. Here are some of the common examples. 1. Sales and discounts. When shopping, you might often come across signs like 30% off or 50% discount. This means that the price of the item is reduced by that percentage. 2. Bank interest rates. Banks often advertise their savings or loan interest rates in terms of percentages. For example, if a bank offers a 2% interest rate on savings, it means that for every 100 units of currency you have in the bank, you'll earn an additional 2 units per year. 3. Statistics. You'll often see statistics presented in percentages in news reports, research, and surveys. For example, 70% of people prefer coffee over tea, means that 70 out of every 100 people surveyed prefer coffee. 4. Grades in school. Your grades in school may be presented as a percentage. For example, scoring 85% means you have correctly answered 85 out of every 100 questions. 5. Tax rates. Governments often levy taxes as a percentage of income or purchases. For example, a 20% sales tax on a $100 item means you have to pay an extra $20, making the total cost $120. Once you understand what percentages are, you can start to calculate them. Here's a basic formula to remember. Percentage equals part, whole, asterisk 100. Let's take a real-life example. Imagine a box filled with 100 balls, 60 red balls and 40 blue balls. What percentage of the balls are red? We can calculate this by dividing the number of red balls, which is the part, by the total number of balls, which is the whole, and then multiplying by 100. So, it's 60 100ths, asterisk 100 equals 60%. That means 60% of the balls in the box are red. So, there you have it. We have learned what a percentage is, seen some real-life examples, and even found out how to calculate percentages. We hope this video has helped make percentages less daunting and more relatable. Remember, they are not just numbers but a tool to understand the world better. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.